Hi everyone, Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Southwestern chicken salad. Let's get started. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are chicken, avocado, red pepper, black beans, corn, cilantro, sour cream, lime, cherry tomatoes, romaine lettuce. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's get our chicken seasoned. Now in a medium bowl, I'm using about 5 chicken tenderloins. I'm going to start with a little adobe flavoring, garlic powder, taco seasoning, onion powder, chili powder, cumin, oregano, black pepper, and salt. And let's give that a good mix. I'm going to cook my chicken in my air fryer. So I've already lined the inside with my aluminum foil. And I'm going to cook these for about 24 minutes on 375. Okay, our chicken's done. Let's go ahead and get this chopped up. So now it's time to assemble the Southwestern chicken salad. In a large bowl, we're going to add our shredded chicken, which looks really good, by the way. One cup of cherry tomatoes halved. Already looking good. Look at that color. 1 red pepper diced. 1 cup of corn, either fresh, frozen, or canned. 1 cup of black beans, rinsed and drained. Half cup of onion. 1 avocado cube. Now this is a pretty ripe one. 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Let's give this a mix. And last but not least, 4 cups of romaine lettuce. Already looking good. Next, we're going to make our salad dressing. So in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And now we're just going to mix all this together. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. Let's taste it. Oh yeah, that's excellent. I can taste the honey in it. If your salad dressing ever feels too thick, you can thin it down by adding just a little milk. So I'm gonna add just a drop of half and half. You can use any kind of milk. Maybe just a drop more. Okay, and there you go. See how it looks like it just thinned it down just a little bit? Okay, and now it's time to add our salad dressing. Oh, this looks so good. And you just want to mix it until everything's combined. And now I'm just going to transfer it into my nice big bowl here. You could serve lime wedges with this. You could serve tortilla strips, crushed tortilla chips. But here you are. Here is my Southwestern chicken salad. And I think it looks really good. I can't wait to give this a taste. Okie doke, and now it's time to give this a taste test. I'm gonna try to get just a little bit of everything on this little spoon. Wow, there really are no words to describe all the flavor that is packed in the Southwestern chicken salad. It is so good. I can taste all the flavors, the cumin, the chicken, the romaine lettuce, the tomato, the onion, the chili powder, the corn, the black beans, all of it. The dressing is the perfect amount. It's not dripping and dressing. It's just enough to coat all of it. I certainly hope that you will give this a try, and that's going to do it for today's video and recipe. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.